From Arkansas's news and high-definition leader, THV, first in HD. This is today's THV This Morning.
Time now 5:53. We are joined by Claude Cousins this morning with Moore Mortgage. That is a division of Delta Trust and Bank. And today we're talking about the home financing environment and kind of what you need to know when you're out there looking for a home and thinking about buying a home. Thank you so much for being with us
Glad
this
to be
morning.
here. This is going to be fun.
Talk to us a little bit about the environment right now for buying a home and borrowing money.
Well, you know, if you compare to where we were now versus where we were a few years ago, there's a lot of the programs that were out there that created a lot of the trouble that are no longer available, like the stated income, the no-doc programs, the no ratio loans. Those have all disappeared. The important thing to remember, though, is there are still great programs available, FHA, VA conventional, and if you're a qualified buyer, there's absolutely money available for us in this market.
And what's the biggest change we've seen in recent years?
I think the biggest issue is that we've gone back to what I call qualified underwriting. As I say, the junk loans are gone, and we've gone back to the very basics of where we should have been several years ago. The idea of calling and getting a rate quote is just simply out there anymore. You've got to have the details of what you're working with and know the variables that are in play.
And if someone's interested in buying a home, what do they need to do first?
Get pre-qualified. It's absolutely critical. You've got to know what your variables are, what your interest rate is. You've got to know the terms, the closing date, and everything involved with it.
Okay, and how long does the initial consultation take? You know, if someone's coming in, how long should they expect to be there?
Typically, we can do it in about 15 minutes over the phone. We'll figure out what your income is, your assets, your liability, help you determine what your payments will be, how much money you need to close, help you determine the price range you need to be shopping in, and all those variables that will help you be a more informed buyer. That way the process goes a lot more smoothly for you.
Okay, well, Claude Cousins with Moore Mortgage, thank you so much for coming here this morning.
Glad to
We
be
really
there.
appreciate the information. Very useful.
Perfect. This is fun.
Great. Well, thank you. Please come back.
I shall.